Hello, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to discuss the greater than operator in C. I've included my header file and I have my main function created, so let's get started. So I'm going to create a const, which is an integer called Dean's age. I've used this in a fair amount of my videos, and we're going to have an integer age declared, and we're going to print f and a question, how old is Dean at the end of Supernatural. Okay, and then we'll scan f, and we want to scan an integer. We have to have the ampersand and then the name of the integer variable, and then we're going to say if age is greater than Dean's age, we'll print something out like Dean is younger than you think. And we'll put a slash and an N. We'll end that with a semicolon, and we will return 0. Okay, now I'm going to open up a terminal, and let's compile this. I'm going to type GCC and then greater than .c, and we're going to output greater than. Okay, now we're going to run it. How old is Dean at the end of Supernatural? We'll say 42, and it says Dean is younger than you think. If we said 41, it would just end the program because we don't have an else or an else if conditional statement at that point. Anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.